Hey, welcome to Bigfoot's Cave. Did a little auction hunting, got a decent sized flat. It's got some larger, older pipe wrenches, some not so old. Uh, Probably paid more than I should have for it, but what can I say? I saw a couple that I liked, didn't know the names of a couple others because I couldn't see it through the picture. So I was like, well, I'll wait to find out if it's something that I want, buy it, throw them dice, and see that I crap out or not. But you want to hang out? Let's go check it out. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the cave. Here's a bunch of wrenches. This one's the one I paid up on. Paid up because the size of these ended up costing me $42.50. So it looks like I've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 wrenches. So less than $4 a piece. Don't know whether that one can be recovered. It says Drop Forge Steel USA, but I'm definitely going to give it a whirl. Nine AUT, a little chunked up, chewed up. I'll work on it, see what I can do with it. Doesn't work too bad, it's just a little grimy. So I'd say this month I hit 2 lots. I think I got 18, 19 wrenches. I love the design on this one, but Duluth, Minnesota, so that's Diamond Tool and Horseshoe. I'm hoping this will clean up. I'd like to see what the rest of that says. Heat treated, forged steel, but oops, sorry, that head. I'm going to do my best on this one, or at least to my skill set. It has got some really bad rust, but I really do like the shape of that. Here's a little itty bitty one, guessing 6-inch. Jaws are good. Got a red internal. Had to clean down in there. Give me a second. I'm going to spray it and wipe it. Oh, I love it. That is a baby Proto Los Angeles. That is cool. I really like that one. That's cool. I don't feel bad paying $42 now. Drop Forge steel. But that teardrop looks familiar. Yeah, sorry about that. I'm not 100% sure what that says, whether it says a web product or Weco. But it's 14-inch. I think this would be a good project and clean up really good too. Made in the US, Levin Auto. Another no name. That'll clean up. So that I don't know about. Give it a shot. Got another one here. This looks like this thing was buried under a tractor for the last 50 years. This one, it's going to take a lot of soaking, but the same slate curve shape, probably the same type. So got a big old 18. The got a whole lot of wobble to her. I think the poor spring has seen better days. It might be. I don't see another spot for it. Ooh, that's not good. That's why it's wobbling. That pin may have to try to. Well, if I take the pin, sorry, thing's so big I didn't realize I was off the camera. May have to try to pull the pin out and put a new pin in. But if I can get that rebuilt, there's another 18, and I like that one. I'm not sure the name right there. No name, just says something steel. But that'd be a future project. Replace that pin assembly. Then I have a Walworth 18-inch. That one's as sloppy as can be, top to bottom. I'm assuming there's a, had to take it apart, but I'm sure there's a spring in there that's loose. Walco pipe wrench, 18-inch. That'd be another fun one to work on. Walworth, 18-inch. Pretty much the same thing. Actually, that's got loose jaws, and that's very loose. But might be the way they're made. Here's a third Walworth 18-inch. So I have basically 3 identical Walworth 18 inches. Then I got this one. F-types. Clean the 14-inch up. I'm really hoping I can get this diamond tool and horseshoe because of that. And then my little proto Los Angeles. These are going to be fun projects for later this year. Thanks for everybody watching. Appreciate everybody that subscribes, everybody that likes it, makes comments. I learn from all the comments. Everybody be safe, have fun, good luck on the hunt. Have a good one.